6:40 right now. What started as a wave off the coast of Africa turned into a storm that rocked the Lowcountry, leaving billions of dollars in damage in its wake.
Storm Team 2 meteorologist Hugo looks at the track and the cost of Hurricane Hugo as we approach the 30th anniversary of the storm making landfall.
The storm became a Category 1 September 14th with winds 75 miles per hour. That's when it gained its name Hugo. The storm continued to strengthen as it moved over warm waters, rapidly intensifying to a Category 5 storm with winds at 160 miles per hour on September 15th. Hugo made its first landfall in Puerto Rico as a Category 3 on September 19th with winds at 120 miles per hour. It moved back over water, rapidly intensifying to a Category 4 with winds 135 miles per hour as it made landfall in the Charleston harbor.
And the rain is stinging all of our faces. We really shouldn't even be out here.
Hugo's eye at landfall was 40 miles wide, with hurricane force winds extending out 140 miles from the center of the storm and tropical storm force winds extending 250 miles out. Hugo's pressure at landfall was 934. Michael, the third lowest pressure ever recorded from a storm. This happened just last hurricane season, had its pressure at 919 as it made landfall. Hugo killed 34 people in its path. 27 of those happened right here in the Lowcountry. And most fatalities occurred as people were fixing up their homes. 26,000 homes were destroyed here just in the Lowcountry. And that caused $7 billion worth of damage. Over $9.4 billion from the entire storm across its entire path. Once you add in that inflation, Hugo still ranks as the 12th most costly storm. Matthew, a storm that we remember here in the Lowcountry, caused $10.3 billion worth of damage. Andrew, back in 1992, $47.7 billion. But here in the Lowcountry, Hugo is a storm that we are not going to forget. For Storm Team 2, I'm meteorologist Hugo.
All right, 6:42 right now. Time for Check Your Weather and Traffic.